Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your marketing data with HubSpot beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. Select the account settings option from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, choose Security. Here, you will find options to enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. Follow the prompts to set it up using your mobile device. Next, return to the left sidebar and click on Users and Teams. Review the list of users and their permissions. Ensure that each user has appropriate access levels for their role. To adjust permissions, click on a user's name. Modify their access for each tool according to your needs. Next, navigate to Manage under the API Key section. Generate an API key if you are working with third-party integrations. Keep this key confidential to prevent unauthorized access. Then, head to Data Management in the Settings menu. Regularly audit your marketing data for any inconsistencies. Consider using the privacy settings to limit data visibility. This is critical for maintaining compliance with data protection regulations. Furthermore, use HubSpot's tracking features with caution. Be transparent about how you collect and use customer data. Lastly, regularly back up your data within HubSpot. Stay informed about new features that enhance data security. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your marketing data in HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.